Okay. Now I'm going to teach you how to ascend and descend the stairs or a curve. Alam niyo yung curve? Yes. So, parang yung sa mga gutter, curve yun. So, ano yung premise natin kapag akyat or bababa ka?
Good.
Okay, so actually yun lang tatandaan nyo. Ngayon hanggang maging PT kayo. Okay, good leg to heaven body. Now, first, we're going to use a cave. Paano makyat sa curve using a cave? So, paano ulit? Good leg to heaven, bad leg to hell. So, for example, this is my bad leg. This is my good leg. So, good leg, heaven. Just make sure that the patient's full foot is planted on the next step. Okay? So, pag nakaganyan, pwedeng mahulog siya. Okay? So, maliit yung step. Maliit yung step.
Mag-elevator ka.
I don't think naman na, hindi naman elevator. Huwag yung pag-elevator. Basta huwag yung kalahati. Parang, gets.